My bike check. Got the frame.
What frame?
The frame!
Oh.
The ODI grips. The Franco Casaneri handlebars. Yes, that's my punching bag. Franco Casaneri. Not the Giro. Laced up to the stem. Got the Colt butter pegs in bent style.
Nice hub guard.
Yeah, and a Colt Hub Guard too. I got the cranks nub style. Got the loose chain. I like my chains loose. Yeah, the Charlie's chain. Oh.
Wait, do you have any bolts on the front wheel? Could you?
No. But I need to clean my tires. Brand new.
What is that?
Turtle wax, wet and black. Okay, well I got front and back brakes. There goes the other one. Got the forks hooked up to the Haro hub with chrome things, chrome sticks. And I got
Dude, Kink Sean Sexton seat right there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do a hub sound.
That's cute.
Yes. And that's my bike check.
Yeah. Yeah. Could you do any tricks on this thing?
Yeah.
Could you do a